Alright, welcome back to another Profit Squirrel video in the casino series. In this video, what we're going to be doing is talking about wagering requirements. So what is a wagering requirement? Well, different bonuses that casinos offer often can have wagering requirements attached to them. And what that basically means is that you need to play through a certain amount of money in order to actually be able to withdraw the bonus, or you need to play through a certain amount of money in order to qualify for a bonus. So, for example, say you get a bonus, but it has a 100 times wagering requirement. What that actually means is the number of bets that you need to place with that money in order for you to be able to do something else with it, i.e. withdraw it. Wagering isn't the amount of money that you need to lose on a slot machine or casino game. It's actually just the amount of money that you need to play through. So, for example, if there was something with a 50 times wagering requirement, and you need to wager through an amount of £50. If you place 50 spins of £1 each, then you would have gone through your wagering requirement and you'd be able to move on to the next stage, whether that's withdrawing the funds, using the bonus that you've qualified for, or something like that. Wagering requirements are really dependent on the specific offer itself. Some are not going to have it, some are going to have it. So it's a factor that you may see coming in and out of different offers. You may not experience it at all in some of the offers. So now you'll start to see all of our previous concepts coming together, because when we have a wagering requirement for a bonus, what we want to do is be able to preserve as much of that bonus as possible. So I've got an example offer up here, and this is a Leo Vegas offer, and it's essentially saying that once you wager £50, you'll get £25 free spins. So what that is basically saying is that you have a wagering requirement of £50, and once that's completed, you qualify for a bonus, 25 free spins. We're going to want to combine two concepts in this offer. One, as high a return to player percentage as we can get as possible. And two, we're going to try and have low variance as we complete this wagering requirement. So you can see here in the Profit Squirrel offer, we've suggested the best RTP percentage to use. This is a slot machine called Star Spinner, and we actually recommend the amount that you should have for each spin, which is 20 pence, which is actually the lowest stake that you can do for this slot machine. So basically what we're going to see here is that we're going to need to play through £50 based on these calculations here as well, and including the free spins. This offer should give us a positive expected value. Again, don't worry too much if you're not familiar with expected value yet. I'm going to cover that in a video coming up. But if you follow all of those steps, if you put everything together, you should over time be left in a nicely profitable position. So that's what we mean by wagering requirement, and you can start to see how that and some of the other factors come into play now. I hope that answered your questions on wagering requirements. If it didn't, drop me a comment below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're following the casino series, I will see you in one of the upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all really soon.